Alright, ladies and gentlemen, kids have noticed there is Moses, aka Tom Speech, isn't there? Break it down. So today we're talking about candlestick formation and how to trade with just candlestick. Okay, and we're using this method on the 1 hour time frame. The 1 hour time frame only, and it's been working for me. It's a strategy, more like a strategy. Okay, but you only trade with the candlestick formation, the opening and the closing of the candlestick. That's all you need to note, and you must note it on the 1 hour time frame. So this is how to use it. Let me use an arrow in this illustration. Okay, so what you want is, so far you know when the candlestick close and when the candlestick open. For example, let's start with this bearish candlestick. Okay, this bearish candlesticks opening start here and closes here. Okay, they open here and close here, open here, close here, open here, close here. Okay, so that's how to know the opening and the closing of a candlestick. So how to use the strategy is, always make sure you see a candlestick forming with no wick, literally no wick, little or no wick. Now look at this bearish candlestick. You see, when it opens on the 1 hour time frame, there is no wick or little wick when it's open. Okay, so you want to flow with that opening, and you hold the position for an hour or maybe till the candlestick close. And look at it, if you open this, if you flow along with this candlestick and you open the position here, then you close it, you see how many pips you make. Let me even try to measure it for you. Okay, this is how to measure pip. You put this pip line. Let me back up a bit. Oh, touch your screen. You see this? Yeah, this I'm touching about. Just hold it, then put that line at the opening of the candlestick, then double tap, and at the closing, then you see the pips, 190 pips. Okay, so depend on your lot size, then you multiply by your lot size, then you will get the amount of your profit. So that's how to use it. You just need to look at the opening of the candlestick, then you see literally no wick or little wick, then you enter your position, hold it for an hour to the opening of the candle or to the closing of the candlestick, and you're good. So let's just quickly back test it. Okay, now look at this again. Look at this. This bullish candlestick, it opens there and closes there. You know, the bullish candlestick open at the bottom of the bearish and close at the top. Okay, and the bearish close opens at the top and close at the bottom. So look at this opening of this bearish candlestick. You see the candlestick literally have no wick. You see no wick. Then when it closes, it closes bearish, completely bearish. Even this candlestick forming, you see, it opened with literally no wick, and look at it until this wick happens, and it's still going bearish. Oh, sorry about that. It's just the network. Okay, so let's just keep back testing it. It works both for bullish and bearish. Bullish and bearish. Okay, and you must make sure the candlestick has almost no wick. So that's how to use it. Let me just keep back testing it. Actually, before you see signals on this kind of settings, it will take a lot of time. You know, you have to wait every 1 hour. If you can use a 30-minute time frame, let's go to the 30-minute time frame. It's the work for the 30-minute time frame, but very strong. You know, everybody knows 1 hour time frame, you know, is one of the best strong time frame to check on signals. It's one of the best. You see, look at that. Let me use an arrow for this as well. Look at that candlestick I was telling you in the 1 hour time frame. You see all these candlestick, two of it makes that 1 hour time frame. Maybe probably this and this. Now look at this as well. No wick, no wick. Then you enter the market and the opening, and you see the closing. Yeah, the market move with a massive bearish move. Now look at this as well. Literally no wick. You enter the market and look at it. It must, so far there's no wick at the beginning. It's a little or no wick. That's what I mean. It must close either bullish or bearish. If it is bearish, look at this. Look at this. Yeah, it closed bearish. Look at this. Little wick. And what happened? Let me zoom in. What happened? It closed bullish. So look at it as well. This market opener, literally no wick, and look at it, it closed bearish. That's a 30-minute time frame. But you know, I like using the 1 hour time frame, okay, because I like swing trading and scalping, but you know, I prefer the 1 hour time frame. You can use the 1 hour time frame if you like as well. Okay, let's look at another one. Okay, and also for you to use this strategy, you need to know how candlestick open and close. You need to know how candlestick open and close, okay? Or else you've been having an issue with it. All right. Now let's look for another. Okay, this is another way. Look at this. Literally no week, and you see what happened? The market push to the downside. Very strong. Very strong. Before you see signals in this strategy, it might take you some time, but you eventually see in a day. Eventually, you will. Now look at this. This candlestick, when it opens, I'm talking about this. After closing, then it shifts to this one. Look at this candlestick. Yeah, the one the iron is pointing to right here. You see, no week. Eventually, the market pushed down till the buyers push it up. Eventually, it's closed with some profit. It's closed bearish. Yeah, you see. So all those 90% of the time, this candlestick formation works. It works 90%. It works accurately. So it's been working for me perfectly. Now look at this, a very good example of the bullish candlestick is this candle. Yeah, very good example. Look at it. When this candlestick closed, this bullish candlestick, when it closed, then it formed this. And when this open, you see it has no wick. You see no wick at all. Then you open your trade. Once you open your trade, look at how many pips you will have make. A lot of pip, okay? So that's my new strategy, okay? It's my new strategy. You don't need any indicator. You don't need any moving average. You don't need anything. All you need is the candlestick formation, okay? The candlestick formation, that's the market structure, then it's gonna give you the price action, okay? So now look at this, literally no wick, then the market, it has little wick. Let me move it here, okay? So let me move it. Yeah, it has little wick, just little. Then you open the position and hold it for an hour. You see, and even this bullish candlestick has little wick. Then you open your position, for an hour, hold it, and you'll be good. But a candlestick that has strong wick like this, please don't trade it. I'm not advising you to trade it, so I don't want you to blow your account. So that's why I'm giving you all this serious advice. Now look at this bearish candlestick, another bearish candlestick. See this? It opens with little wick. Then you see what happened? For one solid hour, the market sell. It sold for an hour. And you see how many people have make. Even this bullish candlestick, the one here. Let me adjust this arrow. Okay. The one I'm pointing to here. See it open with little wicks. Then the market move up. Maybe I should adjust the screen. It open with little wicks. Then the market move for one solid hour. You can hold the position for an hour or less if you like. This strategy actually work most of the time, but to see the signal is it's a little bit hard. It will take a lot of time before you see signals. But if you see it, most time always work out. Okay, it's been working out for me. Okay, look at this. Oh, okay, that's not a signal. That's not a signal. Sorry about that. I'm just looking for a perfect one. Okay, look at these little wicks that the market move for an hour, and there's profit. So that's how to use the strategy. Okay, if you like this candlestick formation, you can actually use it on the 30-minute time frame. But I don't recommend anything less than 15 minutes. I don't recommend it. Just 30 minutes and 1 hour. Okay, you can use the 15 minutes, but I don't recommend it that much. Okay, so please like this video, subscribe on my YouTube channel. It doesn't take you anything to do that, and I really appreciate it if you do. Thank you very much.